Alright guys, we've done it again. 2010 Prius. Cut the muffler off and did a bunch of other work to it. Anyways, factory converters, there. Then left the rest of the system on there and then put a Vibrant Ultra Quiet on it. But he brought his own Vibrant and tip, we put it on for him. And out the tip is heart-shaped tip. But it actually don't sound too bad, so we'll let you guys hear it. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bells. Not bad. I think they usually hit about like 80. Yeah, 81. There you guys go. Another Prius. This is the Ultra Quiet Vibrant. I believe the previous one had regular Vibrant on it. I could be wrong. I don't remember. I forgot. Go ahead and back it out. He's even got the cherry blossom stickers on the side and stuff too. Wrap, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Between them cutting grass and the street, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. It's deep. It's clean. So there you go. Another Prius, guys. We'll let you guys hear this one on the inside as well. (2010) Toyota Prius, Vibra Ultra Quiet resonator, and a heart-shaped tip. Again, I think it's the second one in a month, 2 months. I don't know.